So today, yes, Surya, tell me.
Oh, sir, when you said IE2 and IE3,
Yes.
did you mean is IE2 the energy required to remove both one and two electrons, one and two, or
No, only second electron.
only second electron? Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now please focus. Today we are going to deal with trends in ionization enthalpy. One more thing, ionization enthalpy value will be always positive because that will be endothermic phenomena. We are supplying energy to the system will absorb energy. So this will be always positive. I hope this is clear. Okay, now first one, down the group. As you all know, nucleus, electron, nucleus, electron, second cell, electron. This is the first case, second case, third case. Tell me which electron will require more energy for removal. First one, very good. Yes, you all are correct. So first one will require more energy. So on moving top to bottom, that is moving top to bottom, ionization enthalpy will decrease. I hope this is clear to you all with the help of these diagrams. Top to bottom, ionization enthalpy will decrease. Second is about across the period. So across the period, electron will enter in the same orbit, and Z effective will increase. So it will be difficult to remove electrons. So across the period, that is left to right, it will increase. Is this clear to you all? Yes, Ravan, tell me.
Sir, so is ionization potential or ionization enthalpy directly proportional to Z effective
Yes, right.
and inversely proportional to atomic size?
Atomic size बढ़ेगा तो ionization enthalpy कम होगी, right?
Thank you, sir.
Please note it down. Okay, fine. That is not trend is positive. The value of electron ionization enthalpy is positive. The energy value will be positive, Piyush Kumar. Okay, now we are going to deal with some exceptions. Look here. If I'm talking about nitrogen and oxygen, so according to our concept, oxygen should have more ionization enthalpy than nitrogen, but this is not the case. Please look here why. For nitrogen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. For oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Apply Hund's rule to fill the orbitals. 3. In p orbital, there are 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now tell me which one is more stable. Yes, nitrogen is more stable. So nitrogen will require more energy to remove electron. So in this case, ionization enthalpy would be greater for nitrogen. You can apply this concept to any atom and you can predict what will be the ionization value. Let me tell you, you all know this is for ionization energy 1. Can you tell me for ionization energy 2? Can you tell me for ionization energy 2? What will be the order then? Yes, right. Then oxygen would be greater than nitrogen, because in that case, this oxygen would be 2p3 and this nitrogen would be 2p2 in second ionization enthalpy case. So oxygen will require more energy. Yes, Ravan, tell me.
Sir, but what will happen in third ionization enthalpy?
थर्ड चेक करो जरा, क्या हो जाएगा बताओ.
Oxygen will have more.
कैसे? What is your reason?
Sir, because normally oxygen should have more.
यहाँ पे देखो क्या हो जाएगा. थर्ड के केस में it will become 2p1, right?
Yes, sir.
And यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा?
2p2.
2p2, right?
Yes, sir.
Now look here, what will happen? अगर मैं नाइट्रोजन से इस 1 को निकाल लेता हूँ, right?
Yes, sir.
तो उसके बाद it will become 2s2, right?
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं यहाँ से 1 निकालता हूँ then it will become 2p1, right?
Yes, sir.
अब बताओ एटम किस फॉर्म में ज्यादा स्टेबल हो जाएगा देन?
2s2 में ज्यादा स्टेबल हो जाएगा सर.
हाँ, तो इसको निकालना ज्यादा आसान है. आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर?
तो इसीलिए ऑक्सीजन का आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी ज्यादा होगा.
यस यस राइट.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay, I hope this is clear to you all now. Anand, there is exception in the oxygen and nitrogen. Nitrogen has half-filled orbital, hence it will have more energy to remove electron. It will require more energy to remove electron. Anand, there is exception between nitrogen and oxygen. Piyush, exception is nitrogen and oxygen. According to our concept, left to right, ionization enthalpy increases. So oxygen should have higher ionization energy. But this is the not case here. Piyush, I hope you are getting. Please make a note of it, note down everything. Satakshi, there may be many more exceptions. You have to apply the same concept. Check the stability by writing electronic configuration. That's it. Yes, Raman, tell me.
Sir, so manganese will have more ionization enthalpy than iron.
Manganese and?
Manganese will have more.
Right. 2s2, na?
Sir, because
जो भी होगा, that is
3d5.
full, it will have full s orbital, right?
Yes, sir. Full
Yes,
S.
yes, it will require higher energy. Now tell me, Vedant, ionization energy 3 will be greater for oxygen. Now tell me for beryllium and boron. Tell me for this one. Tell me for beryllium and boron. Yes, beryllium will have higher because of fulfilled s orbitals. Beryllium will have higher because of fulfilled s orbitals. So beryllium will have higher. Yes, you all are correct. Very good. Please note it down, everyone. Please note down all the things. Yes, path, it is valid for every group and period. Have you noted? Vedant, please refer the lecture recording now. Now, please tell me oxygen, fluorine. I2 comparison and oxygen, fluorine, I3 comparison. Tell me everyone. Yes, Sheikh Rayan, bolo.
Sir, in the previous question, I didn't understand how the ionization energy for beryllium will be more than boron, because boron does not have like it has one electron in the 2p shell, right? So it will be easier to remove that electron.
So it will have less energy. It will require less energy.
Oh, okay. So, but basically, we don't have to calculate IE3, IE2, IE1, right? We can look at the structures and tell.
That is for IE1 only, na? We have calculated.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is IE1.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Ravan, tell me.
Sir, when I asked for manganese and iron, you told that manganese will have more, will require more ionization energy because of its fulfilled 4s orbital.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, but in the case of both iron and manganese, 4s2 is fulfilled, right?
What about size?
Iron is bigger and therefore, okay, sir. Understood.
Yes, Anirudh, tell me.
Sir, in the question, in the means previous thing that you told that nitrogen and oxygen, the IE1 will be greater for nitrogen. But sir, I didn't understand how did we calculate for IE2, sir?
Oh, tell me, after removal of one electron, what will be the configuration for nitrogen?
Sir, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2.
2p2. What about oxygen?
Sir, and 2p3.
Which one is more stable?
2p, 2p, the 2p3 is more stable. Okay.
I hope you got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me answer for this one. Most of you are getting the correct answer, some of getting wrong answers. Now look here for correct answer. This is the correct answer. Do you need explanation for this one? Please tell me. Do you need explanation? Okay, fine. Look here. After one electron removal, it will become 2p3 and it will become 2p4. Now tell me which one is more stable. After second electron removal, it will become 2p2. It will become 2p3. Tell me which one is more stable. इतना simple concept है. What are you doing? Yes, tell me.
Sir, so after the second electron removal, fluorine is more stable. Then the energy IE for fluorine must be more, right?
Yes.
Sir, but then IE2, I'm talking about IE2.
I2 for oxygen would be more.
Sir, I didn't understand that.
अरे यार देखो तुमने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल दिया ऑक्सीजन से, राइट?
Yeah.
तो I1 तो हो गया ना?
हाँ.
अभी I2 के लिए तुम्हें इससे इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना पड़ेगा ना. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. 2p3 से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना है.
Oh, okay. Understood,
तो
understood, sir.
ज्यादा लगेगा ना.
हाँ, understood,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Okay. I hope now this concept is very much clear to you all. Yes, Adi Sharma, tell me.
सर आपने जो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाला
हाँ.
2p4 से 2p3 फॉर I2.
हाँ.
सर लेकिन वो तो सर IE1 हुआ ना.
रुको, ये 2p4 है, राइट? यहाँ देखो आदि, ये 2p4 है.
हाँ सर.
मैं पहले आऊंगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल लूंगा.
हाँ सर, तो 2p3 हो गया.
2p1, ठीक है. अबे क्या हो गया 2p3.
हाँ सर.
अब मैं जब इससे इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालने के लिए जो एनर्जी दूंगा दैट विल बी IE2, राइट?
हाँ सर.
वो ज्यादा लगेगा कि कम एनर्जी लगेगा? टेल मी.
ज्यादा लगेगा.
दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ना.
अच्छा सर, ओके ओके. हाँ समझा. थैंक यू सर.
IE1 is for fluorine is more. IE1 तो फ्लोरीन का ज्यादा होगा. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. यस सोहम, टेल मी.
Sir, if it is 2p2 and 2p1.
कहाँ पे है 2p2 2p1?
नहीं इधर नहीं. अगर ऐसा सब में 2p2 आया और 2p1 आया तो 2p1 के लिए ज्यादा एनर्जी लगेगा.
इट विल डिपेंड कि उसके 2p1 के निकलने के बाद क्या बच रहा है.
ओके. हाँ ओके गॉट.
Is this clear to you all now? Please tell me. Very important concept. Okay, very good. Should we move to next concept now? Okay. Yes, Mayuresh, tell me. Mayuresh,
सर
yes, tell me.
यस सर सर अगर हम किसी एक ऐसे हाइपोथेटिकल केस अज्यूम करें जहाँ पे सपोज दो एटम्स है, उसकी आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी है, और उस वक्त एक एटम का हाफ फील्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन है और एक एटम का मतलब एक फुल्ली फील्ड एटम है और एक हाफ फील्ड एटम है, तो जब निकलते वक्त किसकी एनर्जी ज्यादा होगी?
फुल फील्ड में से निकालना मुश्किल होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन।
तो जो फुल फील्ड वाला होगा तो उसकी एनर्जी ज्यादा होगी ना?
एनर्जी ज्यादा नहीं, मतलब हमें ज्यादा एनर्जी देनी पड़ेगी इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालने के लिए।
हाँ हाँ वही वही।
Mayuresh, are you getting?
यस सर।
Full filled is more stable than half filled, na?
या
Then we will have to supply more energy to remove electron from a full filled orbital.
यस सर।
Okay.
ऑलराइट।
Mayuresh, tell me what happened. Yes, Surya, tell me.
So this we only consider stability of subshells for adjacent atomic number, right?
Yes, yes, only stability.
Okay, sir. But in other cases, we just look at atomic number and decide,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, sir.
Now look here. The next one, very important and even more interesting than ionization enthalpy. The next concept is electron gain enthalpy. You can also say electron affinity. पहले इस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझते हैं कि एक्चुअली होता क्या है इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी. So everyone please focus now. देखो यहाँ पे ये कोई एटम है, ठीक है. अगर मैं इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन दूं, यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है और मैंने इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को इसके अंदर डालना चाहा. ओके, आई एम पुटिंग दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन इनटू द एटम. और तुम्हें पता है कि एटम को इलेक्ट्रॉन बहुत पसंद है. एटम्स लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉन. अगर तुमने एटम को इलेक्ट्रॉन दिया, देन इन बैक में एटम विल गिव यू एनर्जी. एटम विल गिव यू एनर्जी. ये जो एनर्जी तुम्हें सप्लाई होगी, जो एटम से तुम्हें एनर्जी मिलेगी, you will enter an electron to the atom, the energy which will be released is known as electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. This energy is known as electron affinity. And as you can say, this is exothermic. Energy is given out. So this is exothermic. So electron gain enthalpy would be negative. But look here, I'm telling about delta H electron gain enthalpy first. Electron gain enthalpy first would be negative. Now, please focus everyone. Now, please focus. अभी क्या होगा? अब अगर मैं, if there is one more electron, अगर मैं अभी इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को भी इस ऑर्बिट में एंट्री कराना चाहूं, then atom will say no. Then I will introduce this electron to the orbit by applying forcefully, force apply करके मैं इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को अंदर डालूंगा. I am doing this by forcefully. So in this case, I have to give energy as well. In this case, I have to give energy as well. So I can say delta H gain enthalpy 2 would be positive. H is enthalpy change. H is for enthalpy. We denote enthalpy by H. अगर मैंने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम के अंदर डाला, then I will get energy. Energy will given out from the atom. So electron gain enthalpy would be negative. अगर मैंने फिर किसी दूसरे इलेक्ट्रॉन को उसी एटम में वापस से डालना चाहा, then वो इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटर नहीं करेगा. I will introduce that electron forcefully. That's why I have to give energy to introduce that electron in that atom. So in second case, it will require energy. So for the second case, electron gain enthalpy would be positive. Yes, Raman, tell me.
Sir, but when we add second electron again to the oxygen, it accepts happily.
Second electron to oxygen. Yeah, there may be exceptions. We will do that.
Yes, sir. And as the first is concerned, sodium does not accept even a single electron.
Yes, right. देखो actually chemistry is full of exceptions and mostly the periodic table wala conceptual chapters. You will find exception in every line I am speaking. Are you getting, Shravan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is full of exceptions, but we are not dealing with that all the exceptions.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yes, Dhruv, tell me.
Yes, sir. Why does an atom accepts first electron happily and not the second one?
This is not valid for all the atoms. Some atom तो ऐसे हैं जो first electron को भी लेना पसंद नहीं करेंगे. For example, noble gas में तुम electron डालोगे तो लेगा क्या?
नहीं, noble gas में.
This general thing I am talking about.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I hope this is clear to you all now. इतना clear है सबको? Please tell me. Ronnie Chaudhary, please raise your hand. Yes, Surya, tell me.
Sir, what you said about the acceptance and accepting an electron, So this other electron in which you have to give energy to put in the atom, this
Yes.
you're saying this is coming after the first electron, or are they two completely different scenarios?
After the first electron, मैंने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड किया, उसके बाद अगर मैं इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड कर रहा हूँ, then I will have to do forcefully that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, Ronit, tell me. Ronit. Ronit, will you say something? Okay, fine. Please note it down. Yes, Sheikh Rehan, tell me.
Sir, if we take fluorine for example, if we
There
use
are
the
lots of
no sir,
exceptions.
I'm not talking about exception. I'm like asking like for fluorine happily accepts one electron, but wait a minute. Oh, okay, I understood, sir.
Okay.
It's because it's orbital. Thank you.
Please note it down, everyone. Yes, Satakshi, very good, correct definition. The amount of energy released while converting a neutral atom into a negatively ion, that is anion, by adding the electron is called electron gain enthalpy, or you can say electron affinity. Yes, Satakshi, correct definition. Yes, Ronit, I think so also. I think the same. Yes, Satakshi, very good. Yes,
Yes,
tell me.
sir. My question was specified for all the alkali metals except for hydrogen, which follows this pattern. But like lithium, its last shell is 2s1. Then rather than giving one electron, why doesn't it accept an electron?
For alkali metals, it is जैसे तुमने मेटल की प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी है ना, मेटल doesn't require electron, right? They lose electron basically.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो वही कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई होगा ना.
But like if we see the orbital, if we like for lithium, it's 1s to 2s1. So if we
Yes.
add one electron also, then also it will become stable.
Yeah, it will become stable. It will be 2s2, right?
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर मैं एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल लेता हूँ, ठीक है?
हाँ.
Then it will become 2s2, right? Oh, sorry, 1s2.
1s2, yeah.
हाँ, अब बताओ एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन देना पसंद करेगा कि लेना? टेल मी.
देना.
Are you getting?
Yeah.
देना पसंद करेगा.
हाँ, देना पसंद करेगा because then 1s2 it will become.
नहीं, अगर उसको तुम एनर्जी सप्लाई कर रहे हो, that is electron, sorry, ionization enthalpy ना.
हाँ.
Are you getting?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now moving to the next, that is trends. Everyone, please focus. Very important. Ronit, I have written delta He1 negative because that is exothermic. First electron, it is exothermic. For second electron, it is endothermic, Ronit. Now, let me tell you one more thing. किसी एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन डालना, H इज द एंथैल्पी, ध्रुव। किसी एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन डालने में जितनी प्रॉब्लम होगी तुम्हें उतनी ज्यादा एनर्जी मिलेगी, रिलीज होगी। प्लीज फोकस ऑन दिस पॉइंट। एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन डालने में, एंट्री कराने में जितनी प्रॉब्लम होगी, जितनी डिफिकल्टी होगी, यस सताक्षी, यू आर राइट, एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन डालने में, एंट्री कराने में जितनी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगी, एटम विल रिलीज सो मच एनर्जी। सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रेंड्स। नाउ प्लीज फोकस ऑन ट्रेंड। फर्स्ट, top to bottom. As you all know, nucleus, electron, nucleus, electron, nucleus, electron. Now tell me, कहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डालना आसान है? दिस इज द फर्स्ट केस, सेकंड केस, थर्ड केस। इलेक्ट्रॉन डालना आसान कहाँ पे है? टेल मी। प्लीज थिंक बिफोर आंसरिंग, जरा सोचो पहले, एंड कीप अ प्रॉपर रीजन फॉर योर आंसर। Okay, now please focus here. Please focus here. जरा देखो, अगर मैं एक इलेक्ट्रॉन मेरे पास यहाँ पे है, ओके, और मुझे इसको यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस कराना है और यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस कराना है, तो जरा बताओ कौन सा न्यूक्लियस इलेक्ट्रॉन को अच्छे से अट्रैक्ट कर पाएगा? टेल मी, विच न्यूक्लियस विल अट्रैक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन इजीली? Yes, now you are getting the correct answer. First one. Very good. Very good, very good. Now please focus. As you all have given the answer, this will accept electron more easily. So, जब इसको तुरंत इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलेगा, then a atom बहुत खुश हो जाएगा, right? It will become more happier, and in reward, it will give you more energy. I hope you are getting what I am talking about. इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन डालने से this atom will become more happier, and in reward this atom will give you more energy. So top to bottom, that is down the group, electron gain enthalpy decreases. Please make a note of this. Top to bottom it decreases. Yes, Surya, tell me.
Sir, but you said that when the atom loses energy, negative, right?
Sorry for that.
Sir?
मैंने पहले थोड़ा कुछ गलत बोल दिया था ना. You are saying that.
हाँ सर, आपने बोला कि नेगेटिव होगा ना, तो अगर नेगेटिव है तो इंक्रीज होना चाहिए.
Yes, I was wrong.
So when atom loses energy, electron gain enthalpy is positive.
Look here, सूर्या देखो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डालना ज्यादा आसान है. आर यू गेटिंग दिस मच, सूर्या?
Yes, sir, that I understood. I'm saying if in case one more energy will be released, right?
Yes, and in one first case, more energy will be released, right?
That means the number will be more negative, no?
Number will be more negative, right?
Right, sir. So then it's increasing because it's closer and closer to zero.
We are not counting the sign here.
Okay, so we're saying absolute value.
Yes, right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I hope this is clear to you all now. Yeah, this is the trend for first energy, right, Dhruv? Yes, Piyush, please raise your hand. Piyush, please raise your hand. Piyush Kumar. Yes, tell me.
सर आपने पहले बोला था कि हमें जितनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स
हाँ,
को
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. मेरा पहला वाला स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग था, पीयूष. दिस इज द करेक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट व्हिच आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग नाउ.
ओके सर.
ओके. I hope this is clear to you all now. Is this concept clear? Okay. Now फटाफट बताओ दो मुझे सेकंड वाला. Please tell me. What happened when we will move from left to right? Apply the same concept and tell me the answer. Yes, left to right, it will increase, and I hope reason is clear to you all now. Because that effective will increase. Yes, you all are getting the correct answer. Very good. Okay, fine. Now I hope in this case, yes, Sheikh, tell me.
Sir, from left to right, only the Z effective will increase. So since there are more electrons, wouldn't it be tougher for one more electron to adjust in?
नहीं, लेकिन साइज छोटी हो रही है ना शेख.
हाँ, correct. So that's why. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now look here. Surya, that is electron gain enthalpy 2. जरा यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पे जरा एक्सेप्शंस कुछ देख लेते हैं. Very simple they are also. Please focus. Look here. अगर मैं बात करूं नाइट्रोजन, की and you can say carbon here. Now tell me the cases here. Look here everyone. Carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Tell me किस में इलेक्ट्रॉन डालना ज्यादा आसान है? Please tell me. Yes, right. So carbon will release more energy. So electron gain enthalpy would be greater for carbon. I hope these exceptions are clear to you all. You can apply this concept to any atom and you can predict whether the electron gain enthalpy would be higher or lower. Same concept you have to apply. There would be many more exceptions. Yes, tell me.
Sir, so the easier to put an electron inside an atom, the more energy it will release?
Yes, right, right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, Soham, tell me.
Sir, in the first, when there was left to right, it will increase. So the reason was because of more Z effective.
Yes, yes.
More attraction, more attraction. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Is this clear to you all now? Okay, fine. Yes, Ravan, tell me.
Sir, I think there's also another exception of fluorine and chlorine.
Yes, I'm coming to that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now everyone please focus. The second exception in the 17 group element. Very important and interesting topic now. The reason is very interesting. Please focus. If I'm talking about fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, as you know, top to bottom electron gain enthalpy decreases. So order should be like this, but this is wrong. The actual order is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, then iodine. Now, please focus on the reason for this. Very interesting reason. Please focus. As you all know, you will say if fluorine is the highest electronegative atom, so it will easily attract the electron. Fluorine is the highest electronegative atom, so it will easily attract the electron. But please focus here. If I am talking about fluorine, and chlorine, now देखो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली दो टर्म है जिसको हम रिलेशनशिप के टर्म में बात कर देखा, शॉर्ट टर्म रिलेशनशिप, दूसरा लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप. तो फ्लोरीन जो इलेक्ट्रॉन को अट्रैक्ट करेगा, आई एग्री कि फ्लोरीन इलेक्ट्रॉन को फटाक से अट्रैक्ट करेगा, वेरी फास्ट. सिमिलरली क्लोरीन भी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम है, ए भी इलेक्ट्रॉन को उतने ही अच्छे से अट्रैक्ट कर सकता है, नॉट दैट मच एफिशिएंटली, उतना एफिशिएंट नहीं होगा, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रॉन को अट्रैक्ट तो क्लोरीन भी कर सकता है. I hope you are agree with this. Now look here. Now why this is easier for chlorine? Please focus. देखो, एक्चुअली क्लोरीन ने इलेक्ट्रॉन को अट्रैक्ट तो कर लिया, लेकिन क्या उसके पास इतनी स्पेस है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन को रख सकता है? टेल मी. स्पेस किसके पास ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन को अकोमोडेट करने के लिए? लॉन्ग टर्म कौन चलेगा? लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप इलेक्ट्रॉन के साथ किसका होगा? प्लीज टेल मी, who will have long term relationship with electron? Yes, chlorine. Very good. I hope now reason is clear to you all. Yes, Raman, tell me.
Sir, but what if the question comes in exam like write the reason for which chlorine is more has more electron affinity than fluorine? So what should we write then?
You have to simply write fluorine has higher tendency to attract the electron, right?
Yes, sir.
But as we compare about the space present in fluorine and chlorine,
yes, sir,
there is not much space available in chlorine. It will repel the electron due to inter-electronic repulsion.
Okay, sir. So it means that
Inter-electronic
it's
repulsion will be
jammed.
higher in fluorine.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
So because of the low amounts of distance between the electrons will repel the new coming electron, but in chlorine this will not happen.
Yes, right.
Thanks. So you should directly state this in the exam.
Yes, right.
As inter-electronic repulsion.
Yes. Yes, Satakshi, tell me.
Sir, but if I talk on the orbital level, you have the same space to accommodate one electron, right?
Look, you are talking about this now. Look, Satakshi, fluorine will have 1s2, 2s2, 2p. Tell me. 5. Okay. And what about chlorine? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what you are asking.
Sir, so there is, but sir, p और दोनों में जो लास्ट का p ऑर्बिटल है उसमें एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन अकोमोडेट हो सकता है, तो उस हिसाब से स्पेस तो सेम होना चाहिए ना.
स्पेस सेम कैसे? सताक्षी जरा देखो, स्पेस इसमें ज्यादा है कि स्पेस इसमें ज्यादा है? टेल मी.
अच्छा, तो एटॉमिक साइज पे भी डिफर करता है.
यस राइट.
ओके.
Yes, Surya, you are correct. Because this is not valid for other period, other groups, as well as bromine and iodine, because of their electronegativity values. This is not valid for other group because of their electronegative values are not much higher as fluorine and chlorine. I hope you are getting it. This concept is now very much clear to you all. Please tell me. Okay, very good. Can we move to next topic? Okay, fine. Are you writing down all the things in your notebook? आप लोग notebook में लिख रहे हो, right? Okay, very good. Now, next topic is electronegativity. Next topic is electronegativity. Please focus everyone, a very small topic. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी। देखो यहाँ पे, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक. If there are two atoms and they are bonded by a covalent bond AB, you know there would be two electrons in a bond. Now, electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract shared pair of electron towards itself. Now, in this case, अगर मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूं कि B is more electronegative, then B दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा. So B will acquire partial negative and A will acquire partial positive due to electronegativity difference. B is more electronegative. This is more electronegative. Yes, Ravan, tell me.
Sir, here the B will acquire minus delta charge and A will acquire plus delta charge, right?
Yes.
Sir, but does electronegativity concept only apply to covalent bonds?
Yes.
So then why do we normally say like fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen, therefore it can attract more electrons?
Because in all the compounds of fluorine and oxygen, whatever you compound take of the fluorine
Yes,
always attracts the electrons towards itself. Whichever compound you can take.
Sir, but same is for oxygen too.
Yeah, take the OF2.
That's an exception, sir.
OF2 fluorine will attract the electron.
Yes, sir. So this concept only applies for covalent bonds, not for ionic.
No, actually electronegativity is derived from the covalent concept only.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
There are some values also given by, you can say there are some scientists like Millikan was there, Paulis was there. There are some scientists who give their fixed value how electron attract, what will be their power to attract the electrons. But that is not in your syllabus now. You have to just study the comparison now. Yes, it is also derived from experiments also. Experiments, right? Now tell me, तुमने इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट के बारे में भी पढ़ा होगा, राइट? You must have heard about electropositivity. Let me tell you, actually देखा जाए तो रियलिटी में इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी जैसा कोई भी चीज नहीं होता. प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. एक्चुअली रियलिटी में इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी जैसा कोई भी चीज एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेटल्स, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेटल्स, सो मेटल्स की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इतनी ज्यादा कम है. प्लीज फोकस. मेटल्स की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इतनी ज्यादा कम है कि वी आर कॉलिंग देम इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, बट देयर इज नथिंग लाइक इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी. उनकी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इतनी कम है कि वी आर कॉलिंग देम इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव. दैट्स इट. But all the thing is about electronegativity. Is this clear now? Please tell me. Okay. Now we will deal with trends. First one, top to bottom. I hope you all know about this. Top to bottom, it decreases. Yes, Rana, you are correct. Then left to right, it increases. If I'm talking about the order of electronegativity in the whole periodic table, you can learn Fonkel. Are you getting which uncle I'm talking about? I am talking about Fonkel. Name of uncle is Fonkel. F-O-N-C-L. Fonkel. They are the most electronegative atom in the periodic table. You have to remember Fonkel for this. Surya, which name you are talking about? Surya, I am pronouncing this only. F-O-N-C-L. Fonkel. Are you getting? Fonkel. Yes, Raman, tell me.
Sir, so the electronegative elements after chlorine is not important.
नहीं एक्चुअली इंपॉर्टेंट सब कुछ है लेकिन बेसिकली जो क्वेश्चंस हमारे कंपाउंड के फॉर्मेशन वगैरह हैं वो फ्लोरीन ऑक्सीजन नाइट्रोजन क्लोरीन ये सब से रिलेटेड होते हैं दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव कंक्लूडेड दैट
Okay, sir. So it is not necessary for us to learn beyond it.
देखो ट्रेंड आना चाहिए तुम्हें राइट
Yes, sir.
ट्रेंड अगर क्लियर है तो दैट इज फॉर योर रेफरेंस अगर तुम्हें फ्लोरीन और क्लोरीन तो समझ जाएगा राइट
Yes, sir.
लेकिन अगर तुम्हें नाइट्रोजन और क्लोरीन कंपेयर करना हुआ देन दिस फॉन्कल विल हेल्प यू
Yes.
ओके
Thanks, sir.
ध्रुव He इज द नोबल गैस इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे अट्रैक्ट करेगा ध्रुव टेल मी अप्लाई सम लॉजिक Is this clear now? Please tell me. I hope electronegativity is clear to you all now. Okay, very good. Okay, fine. Now moving to next part. I think that is fifth one, right? Yes, Dhruv, list is francium. Fifth one. metallic character. Very simple concept are remaining now. You can correlate with them the previous one. Very simple concept are remaining. Metal will lose electron. So I'm just writing down the trends. Top to bottom, it will increase. Left to right, it will decrease. I hope the reason is clear to you all. टॉप टू बॉटम साइज बड़ी होगी सूर्या, टॉप टू बॉटम साइज बड़ी होगी तो इलेक्ट्रॉन को निकालना आसान होगा. That's why metallic character will increase. Aryan Chaudhary, please raise your hand. Aryan Chaudhary. Yes, Aryan, tell me.
Yes, sir. So last year we learned that. Last year we learned the electronegativity, top electronegativity as fluorine, oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen, then bromine.
Okay, जरा यहाँ देखना. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
देखो, अगर मैं एक कंपाउंड लेता हूँ, everyone please focus here now for 2 minutes. If I am taking a compound NaCl, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then nitrogen will form. If I am reacting this with water, this will form NH3. NaCl, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what about NH3 and HCl? NH3 and nitrogen has combined with hydrogen, right?
Yes, sir.
HOCl you can say. अब जरा बताओ यहाँ पे OH माइनस है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Then Cl क्या होगा?
The positive.
पॉजिटिव. H क्या होता है यहाँ पे? पॉजिटिव.
Yes, sir.
Then नाइट्रोजन क्या होगा?
Negative.
नेगेटिव. अब बताओ अगर you are saying कि chlorine is more electronegative than nitrogen, right?
Yes, sir.
Then why this is happening? Please tell me.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Yes, yeah, Sheikh, you are correct, right? Is this clear to you all? Metallic character सबको clear है? Please tell me. Metallic character top to bottom increases, left to right decreases. Satakshi, we have just discussed metallic character. Top to bottom, it will increase. Left to right, it will decrease. Now, can you please tell me about non-metallic character? Exactly opposite of metallic. Very good. Top to bottom, it will decrease. Left to right, it will increase. Okay. Now please focus. The second last topic is about chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity. Now please focus everyone, very important concept, please focus. If I am talking about its trends, so the first across the period, that is left to right, जरा इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे फोकस करो. एक्चुअली केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी डिपेंड करेगा कि एटम कितने अच्छे से इलेक्ट्रॉन दे सकता है या फिर ले सकता है. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. The donating and accepting tendency of atom of electron for the electron will decide chemical reactivity. So please focus here. अगर मैं लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव कर रहा हूं, ठीक है, इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल, तो एज यू कैन सी जब मैं थोड़े दूर जाऊंगा तो पहले मुझे कुछ मेटल्स मिलेंगे. I will find out some metals. So in this case, the tendency of losing electron will decrease. So पहले क्या होगा? It will decrease. Chemical reactivity will decrease. फिर इसके बाद मुझे इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम मिलने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, राइट? इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम मिलेंगे and they will attract electron very easily. So chemical reactivity will increase. So on moving left to right, chemical reactivity first increases, then first decreases, then increases. Chemical reactivity first decreases, then increases. Now if I am moving second one, top to bottom. In this case, there will be two cases for metals and non-metals. In the case of metal, it will increase. In the case of non-metal, it will decrease. I hope reason is clear. Metal की इलेक्ट्रॉन देने की टेंडेंसी बढ़ती है, non-metal की इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रैक्ट करने की टेंडेंसी कम होती है. Is this clear to you all? Please tell me. Yes, Dhruv, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, ये NOCl किस टाइप का कंपाउंड है?
NOCl केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में पढ़ेंगे हम, जरा सा वेट कर लो, हमारे पास है एक टॉपिक केमिकल बॉन्डिंग. ठीक है?
ओके
ओके. सोहम, टेल मी.
यस सर. सर सो बेसिकली केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी किस पे डिपेंड करेगा?
इलेक्ट्रॉन लेना या तो देना.
लेना या फिर देना. ओके.
यस.
थैंक यू.
यस पार्थ, टेल मी.
So then from left to right, if it is decreasing and then increasing, then noble gases will be exception, right?
Yes, noble gases are exception, right?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Akanksha, tell me. Yes, Akshat, tell me. Yes, Adi, tell me.
सर तो केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी नोबल गैस के लिए सर बिल्कुल नेग्लिजिबल रहेगी ना?
Yes, yes, right.
Okay, so
Yes, Surya, tell me.
Sir, is the chemical reactivity related to the valency?
Yeah, it is related to valency. Basically, you can say oxidation number, not
Okay,
exactly valency.
Sir, can you specify, sir?
ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर वही वैलेंसी प्लस या माइनस के साथ हो गया ना, अगर
Oh,
ऑक्सीडेशन
yeah, okay, understood.
ओके फॉर मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल.
Understood. ठीक.
Okay, please note it down. Have you noted this? Please tell me. Have you noted? Okay. Okay, fine. Now the next topic is valency. Very simple. You all have studied in detail about this. Valency. Left to right. Tell me क्या होगा? Yes, very good. First, increases, then decreases. And top to bottom, tell me. Top to bottom remains same. Please note down. Have you noted? Okay, the last topic, is anomalous behavior of second period element. Second period element. Actually, this is because of first reason, smaller size. Second reason, high electronegativity. Third, very important reason, non availability of d orbitals. Okay, now tell me, any doubt in this? Anomalous में मतलब थोड़ा सा different behavior show करते हैं लोग. Let me tell you some examples. If I am looking for nitrogen, look here everyone. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. In this case, you can see nitrogen is gas, while rest are solid. Phosphorus can form PCl5, but nitrogen cannot form PCl5. there would be hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding in NH3, but PS3 में it will not. So there are some different behavior. Nitrogen is showing different behavior, that is anomalous behavior of second period element. I hope this is clear to you all now. Please tell me. Any doubt, please tell me. Sasank, nitrogen will not form NCl5, whereas phosphorus can form. Nitrogen is gas while rest are solid. Nitrogen can form hydrogen bonding while rest cannot form. Yes, Satakshi, right. But they are not important points, so I have not mentioned. Please tell me, do you have any doubt? You can raise your hand now. Please raise your hand if you have any doubt. Yes, Vedant, tell me.
Sir, how does the third point make a difference?
Which one? Hydrogen
That
bonding?
they don't have d orbital. No, d orbitals.
D orbital के वजह से ही नाइट्रोजन NCl5 नहीं बना सकता. नहीं है.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Surya, tell me.
So when you say anomalous behavior when compared to other elements in the same group, right?
Yes, sir. नहीं किसी भी थर्ड पीरियड एलिमेंट, सेकंड पीरियड एलिमेंट का और उसके नीचे जो एलिमेंट होंगे उनसे थोड़ा अलग बिहेवियर होगा.
That's also so when you take some element, you consider the group.
You can say fluorine
right?
also, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. If any doubt, you can raise your hand. I hope all the concepts are very much clear to you all. Okay. So your periodic classification of element chapter is over now. This chapter is over. Please prepare for TWT atomic structure. Our target is 42 plus. Please focus. Our target is 42 plus for TWT. Everyone, are you listening? You have to achieve the target. I don't want any excuses. You have to achieve 42 plus for TWT. Piyush Kumar, question will be easy or different, it doesn't matter. Your concept should be strong, that's it. Our target is 42 plus. Please make a note of this. For TWT, target is 42 plus and you have to achieve this. अगर आप लोगों ने 45 स्कोर किया देन also no problem, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. You can score 45 also, no issue. Ronit, I am available for doubt 24/7. You can personally chat with me on WhatsApp. I am always available for doubts. You can personally message me on WhatsApp also. On personal chat also, I will reply. Yes, Satakshi, 45 is maximum, I know. You can score 45 also, no issue. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining. I hope you enjoyed the class. And don't forget the target. Bye everyone, take care.